Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. In my video last night, I did a video on my breakout scanning process, and I went through a bunch of different trades that look like they're getting potentially wound up and coiled, ready to break out to the upside or downside, based on what we look at as momentum. So I thought today we would review and see what happened with those trades. So yesterday I went through and showed you in the video the trade set up for TTD, trade desk. It was in a squeeze on the 4-hour time frame, 5 bars. And then I also went and I showed you TDOC, TDOC, 5-bar squeeze, EA, team, Twillo. So I thought I'd go back and review these trades today to show you what they, happened to them and how they performed or responded to this potential breakout. So let's take a look. So here's TTD trade desk. So this is a 4-hour time frame, and here's the daily. So we were looking at this squeeze for based on the 4-hour time frame. So nice push to the upside. We had yesterday a push to the upside, and then today follow through back over that 50% retracement. So this has more potential upside, but the key thing or takeaway here is momentum. So you can see the 4-hour time frame where my pointer is, cycle 1 and 2 are positive, and now the daily cycle 1 and 2 are positive. So nice move over the last 2 days and more potential upside on TTD. Next one is TDOC. So you can see the 4-hour squeeze here. See the bar, see the dots here. So this was coiled, ready to trigger either up or down. Now momentum, cycle 1 here where my pointer is and 2 were up, so the probable direction was to the upside, and it did trigger to the upside. So this is one of the trades that we did actually today in our alert service. So nice breakout trade to the upside here today on TDOC. And you can see here on the daily, this is a 513 cross, another good momentum indicator that we use. All right, so pop to the upside on TDOC. And then the electronic arts was another one. So this is also was in a 4-hour squeeze. It's triggered not as much momentum to the upside, but still has potential. You can see it's coming into the 382. So not as much momentum as Trade Desk or TDOC, but still has potential for more upside. And then we have team here. So nice push. You can see from this swing high up here to low, we broke above today the 382. So that's very positive, and it did trigger here on the 4-hour time frame. You can see the dots here, so it disappeared. So we did have a trigger there. So we'll see momentum on cycle 1 and 2 are up on the 4-hour and on 1. So this has potential for more upside. Now let's take a look at a few more that are setting up currently. Here's one to watch for tomorrow. This one is getting ready to trigger to the upside. This is Adobe. You can see a nice 513 cross here on the moving average cross. Cycle 1 and 2 on the 4-hour are getting ready to are basically up. Still lagging a little bit on the daily, but this still has good potential to fall through to the upside. So I'll be watching this for the next day or two, potentially Adobe to the upside. And then WDAY is looking pretty good. This is what we call a cycle retracement reversal. So you can see how it came down, held this 50 simple moving average, and now it's pushing back to the upside. We're getting a cycle reversal cross right here. All right, so that's also an indication of more potential upside or the cycle changing to the upside. And then you see the 4-hour time frame, cycle 1 and 2 momentum are pushing up, so this has potential more movement to the upside. And one more to keep an eye on is SPOT, S-P-O-T. You can see right here where my pointer is, cycle reversal right there. You see the purple arrow. So this is a signal that says, okay, there's a potential change in cycle coming, and then we want to confirm that with momentum. So we got a confirmation here today on the cycle, on the 4-hour cycle 1 and 2, and we're in a volatility squeeze here on the 4-hour. So this has potential. Gonna wait and watch it, see if it can get a little bit more above these prior highs. But those are some potential breakout trades. I just kind of want to review to show you how the scanning process works for identifying trade setups for potential powerful breakout trades. If you'd like to learn more about these types of trades and reversals, make sure to join us this Saturday for my free trading workshop on breakouts and reversals. Good luck trading.